Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a very quick review of the new Danessa Myricks, her Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Lowlighter Soft Glow Highlighter. What a name, right? I know you guys have seen it. So it retails for $25. There's a total of 4 shades. I got the shade Incognito, which is a tan gold. I wanted the peach, but it looked sort of light. So I figured if I like the tan gold, I probably will get the peach. All right, so it's a cream formula. It's good for pores. It's a natural finish, good for uneven texture, and it's vegan. So what it is, it's a new generation, and you know she's very like innovative and always ahead. All right, so a new generation of tinted light reflecting balm to powder, skin transforming illuminator that blurs and add a soft lit from within glow all over the face. Now, of course, I did not need anything else highlighted or glow to the face, but it's Danessa Myricks and I really wanted to try it out. First of all, I thought it was bigger. I don't know where I got that from. I wasn't expecting it to be like the size of her blushes. For some reason, it looked bigger online, so I thought it would be bigger. So I was a little surprised and a little disappointed. So I opened it and I looked at it, and right now it just looks like a powder. Like, this doesn't look interesting at all, and I'm kind of like, anyway. So I haven't swatched it, so let's go ahead. Oh, so it feels super creamy. It's almost like you're rubbing your fingers in a concealer, but then this is what you get. This nice gold sheen. So you see, sometimes looks can be deceiving because look at this. I think this is very pretty. And it's supposed to be like a lit from within. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it with a brush first. Actually, I should read how to apply it. Hold on. All right, so it says using fingers or a brush, swirl, swipe, and tap. So swirl across lowlighter, swipe onto cheekbones, your brow bone, across the bridge of your nose, onto lips. This is like where you would put highlighter. All right, so I'm my makeup is almost done. I'm just missing blush, and I'm missing my lips. So I want to put it on without, so I'm just wearing my contour, my Makeup by Mario, this Soft Sculpt. So I want to put it on without blush, and then I want to put it on top of blush so we can get an idea, I'm very impressed now. It's pretty. And if it works out, I think I want to get the peach. I'm trying not to like buy too much stuff. I'm trying to use the products that I have, but if I like this, okay, so first I'm going to start with a brush because I'm thinking I can probably use a dry beauty blender as well. But let's go in with the brush first just to see, because I don't think I want to use my fingers. The brush is not it. I already know that. So I'm going to go in with the sponge. Okay, that's better. This is nice. This looks more than just like a lit from within. This looks lit. Because I know, I haven't purchased it, but I know not Danessa Myricks, Natasha Denona has some sort of lit from within highlighter. I was thinking of buying that, but then I was like, you know what? I want to try this. This is pretty. I'm going to be generous with it. So this is just like on the cheek on top of like my bronzer and powder, and it did good because I powdered. It didn't like raise up anything. You guys, you should see this up close. All right, I came in closer. Like up close, my skin looks beautiful. My skin looks so smooth with it. This whole area where I put it, it literally smoothed my skin. That area looks so beautiful. Okay, I can see where it looks, I can see the glow on top, but I can also see where it's like glow within. This is beautiful. All right, so on this side of my face though, I want to put some blush, some powder blush, because I'm going to use the I can't talk today. House Labs Tiger Moon. I want to see how it looks like over a blush. I'm not going to put that much, but I just want to see, because I would usually, you know, wear a blush. Okay, this should be enough. I love this blush. It's so pretty. And for now, I like using it with the sponge. Now that I've swirled it around, it looks very glossy and very pretty. Because at first it looked matte. When I first opened, I was like, uh-oh. That's beautiful. The peach probably would look good. I have to look at the peach again because it had looked kind of light. Okay, let's see. Ooh, girl. Yes. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. Okay, what I love about this, I love the formula. This is looking really nice. What I like about it, it's just enough. So I see why they would say glow from within, but I mean, it's glow from within and out. It's just enough. It's the perfect, the formula is beautiful. It's the perfect amount of glow. See that? You should see my skin where I put this. It looks sort of, it just looks glossy and creamy and smooth and beautiful. I like this. All right, let's put some on the nose. This is super pretty, guys. Ooh. Smells soapy. It smells like our other stuff, but this one has like an extra, to me, like I had a soap like this when I was little that my mom used to wash clothes with. I'm getting that sort of nostalgia. This is what it smells like to me. I like it. Look at it on my nose. Oh, the formula of this is beautiful. This looks so nice over that blush too. Look at that. See when I move my cheek? Oh, this is nice. I wish it was bigger. It should have been as big as her balm. But I don't think it would have been $25. And it's doing a great job over powder. Because obviously I had powdered my face before I came on camera. And then the blush is a powder blush. Didn't move it. It's not patchy. It's just creamy, smooth goodness. This color is stunning. This color is beautiful. Look at that. I'm wearing a matte foundation today. I'm wearing my Nars, what is that? The Nars Soft Matte. So I'm nice and matte. I'm going to put some right here. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. I want to put it everywhere. Tell me that's not beautiful. Tell me this is not beautiful. This is gorgeous. All right, guys, I am back with my lips done, and let me tell you, this is one of the most beautiful highlighters I've ever used. And this is no hyperbole, and I have tons of highlighter, and it's all because of this formula. Wow. So they said it's a balm to a powder, right? I'm trying for this video not to be too long, and here I go. Where is it? It says light balm to powder. So it starts off like a balm and then it turns into a powder, but it mostly looks like a balm. Look at this. And it's supposed to be a low lighter, but to me it's a full highlighter. But it's just the right amount, and you do get that glow from within. It's stunning. This is so pretty, and I love this shade. Incognito, right? Incognito. Tan gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Danessa Myricks, she is just, I'm telling you, she is killing the game. This is absolutely beautiful. Hands down one of the best highlighters I've ever used because of this amazing formula. This is so pretty. This probably would look good on bare skin if you have really nice skin. Just put some bronzer, put this on. This looks stunning. This has took my makeup to a whole different level. And for now, I'm going to use it with the sponge because I don't know if I have the right brush. I do have a dense brush for Makeup by Mario, but I'm already using that for cream bronzer. But look when I move away from the light a little bit, you can still see it. How pretty it is. If you guys can, because, you know, I know I'm supposed to be on here to influence you guys. I don't want to, like, you know, because I know, you know, you don't always have to buy everything that drops. But this is worth the buy. And if you're my complexion, I think this why can I say it? Incognito shade would be perfect for you. I think it looks stunning on my skin. Look at that. It's so pretty. I don't want to take it. I don't want to wash off my makeup. So pretty, guys. So if you can, I would say pick it up. It's definitely worth the buy. It's beautiful. She did a fantastic job with this. Another hit from Danessa Myricks, and I was so skeptical at first when I opened this, but wow. Wow, wow. It's beautiful. All right, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.